Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is our second video for Python tutorial series, and in this video we will learn how to install Python in our machine. I'm using the Windows operating system. I'm using Windows 10. So we will install Python on our Windows operating system. But if you will go to the python.org, you will find that they have explained everything that how you can install Python on different operating system. Like they have defined that if you go to the downloads page, then they are showing that the current version of Python, and they are showing that the how you can install Python for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and other operating system. Whatever you use, you can install Python according to your operating system. Okay, so in this video we will install Python because we are installing this we are installing Python because we want to run the program. So when we run the program in Python, then it will run the program with our installed Python software. Okay, actually we are installing the interpreter of Python. Okay, so what interpreter do? Interpreter will read the code whatever we write in the text, and in the text editor whatever we write, it will read the code and convert it to the machine language. Okay, and then it will again it will convert to the human language, to so that human can read the output. It will take the input and show the output according to the human understandable language. Okay, so this is the interpreter. Okay, so we are actually installing the interpreter of Python. Okay, so that we can write the code and get the proper input from that code. Okay, so let's uh, let's install this. So I'm using Windows 10, and I'm using Visual Studio Code. So first of all, you will download the Python. After the downloading this, you will get a setup.exe file, and then you will run the setup. After proper installing that, please note that you will get the window, and please add the path of the Python wherever it installed. You will need to add the Python path. Let's I will show you. Let's go to the downloads, and when I click on the setup.exe, then because I have already installed, so that it is saying that I want to modify, repair, or uninstall. Let's say modify. So here it is showing me the features. Okay, I'll go to the next, and add. So you have to take this, add Python environment to the variables. So it will add the Python in our operating system, so that we can run the command. Okay, so that we can run the Python command for from anywhere. Okay, so this is important to add the Python environment variable. So then we can install this. So I have already installed this, so I don't need to do this very easily. Okay, so if you are finding some problem, or if you getting some error, then you can go to this documentation, find the get the suitable solution for according to your operating system. Now we have installed the Python. So now let's verify this. So I'm in the directory, and I will write Python. So it is showing the interpreter. Okay, it is showing that the Python version and other results. Okay, so it is showing the interpreter. Now I will write. So this three arrow means I am in the Python interpreter. Whatever I write in this after this arrow, it will try to interpret our it will try to interpret whatever we have wrote in the after these three arrows. Okay, so I will write print hello world. So what it means? It means it is very simple. It is like a normal English. I want to say that print hello world. So this parenthesis means I am running a function in print. This is a print. This is a function. We will learn about the function in our upcoming videos. But please remember this: if you want to print anything, okay, so you need to print, then this bracket will start and we will write this. Whatever we want to print, this we will write in this single quotes. Okay, so when we enter this, then it will show the hello world. Okay, so interpreter in read this and convert this to machine language, and then it will again process this function, and then give us output in the human readable language. So this is the flow. This is the flow of any programming languages. Okay, so if you are learning Python, if you are learning PHP, if you are learning JavaScript, but the difference is the main syntax. Okay, and but the flow of the program will be same. So now if I want to exit from this interpreter, then please uh, control Z and then enter. So it is according to the operating system. So in window you can exit with the control Z plus enter. Okay, so now we have installed Python in our system. Now it's time to create our first program. Actually we have created our first program, but we have created in the CMD. Now let's go to the Visual Studio. Okay, and create here the file. So I'll create the file. I'll go to the F and here Python tutorials, and in this I will create hello world dot py. So this py means this is the Python file, so that it we are saving this file with the py. Okay, we simply write print hello world. Okay, so Visual Studio Code automatically color this function, color this string in different colors, so that we can easily identify that which is what we are writing, but which is a function, which is string. Okay, so now we will run. Now it's time to run the hello world.py file. So what we will do, we will open the CMD file. I'm opening the CMD file in the Python tutorials folder, and here I will py. So you can run Python, you can write py. Py is a shortcut, so I will write hello world.py. So it will give us the similar result, hello world. Okay, so this is in this video we have learned that how we have installed the Python in our system, and how we can write the simple program. You can write the simple hello world program in Python. And we have also learned that how Python works, how interpreter actually works. I have not explained in detail, but I have tried to give you some basic idea. Okay, so actually interpreter run the code from line by line. Okay, there are two things that converts our whatever we write in the text editor or whatever we write in the command line, it converts the code into machine language. There are two types: one is interpreter and another is compiler. Compiler is read whole the file, whole the code at one time, but interpreter read the file line by line. Okay, so like you can say that PHP Python is interpreter language, and they interpret the code, but C++ is a compile the code. Okay, so they compile whole file and then return the error. But in Python, in PHP, in JavaScript, they they do not compile whole the code, but they interpret line by line the code, so that it gives us the line number, and it gives us the proper that you are doing wrong or you are doing right at this line number. Okay, so I hope you understand what is interpreter language and what is compile language. Okay, so this is the main difference between the compiler and the interpreter. So I hope you understand all the things. If you have any query, any question, then please write in the comment section, and we will continue this series, and I will continue also the Django e-commerce website series. And I'm just I just try to clear the basic idea. Also yours, also mine. Okay, so that I'm creating this series. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, any query, then please add in the comment section, and please subscribe the channel. Please stay tuned and share this video, like this video, So thank you so much.